In this video, we'll cover creating axis breaks in Grunt charts. Axis breaks can be helpful for increasing readability, particularly with large datasets, or highlighting a specific range within your chart data. This is an example of a chart that could probably use an axis break. As you can see, the leftmost and the rightmost columns take up a lot of space visually, but we really want to just focus our attention to what's happening up here, with the delta change from opening to closing. So to get started, just click on the axis where you want the axis break. From the axis toolbar, you can toggle the axis break on. Once the axis break is inserted, you can click directly on it and drag to adjust the height. And it's as simple as that. If you want to remove the axis break, you can do that either from the axis toolbar and just toggle this off, or click directly on the axis break, right-click, and delete. Last couple of things to note. If you click on the axis above the range of the chart data, you'll see that the axis break option is disabled and grayed out. That's just because it doesn't make any logical sense to add a break there, so it won't let you. However, if that happens, no problem. Just make sure that you click within the range of the actual chart data, and you can once again add the axis break. Final notes, we currently support one axis break per chart.